Hey, what's up? Today I want to show you guys Fanola. My sister turned me on to Fanola, and I just have to share it with the world because it's literally like a game changer if you don't want yellow pigments in your hair. So last night I should have did a before picture before video before I actually did the treatment, because my hair was actually super yellow before I did the treatment. But I did do the treatment today. I left it on for about 10 minutes and then I washed it out. But it's a purple shampoo, so you just apply it like regular shampoo. And then you lather it up. I usually put my hair up in like a pony or something like that. And you lather, oh, my arm's getting tired holding the phone. So weird. So, so you lather it up and then leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it out. And then I actually use a purple like conditioner treatment too. And then now this is what it looks like today. And I usually do, I would say, just to get it to the ashy, really ashy blonde that I want it, I'll probably do 2 or 3 more treatments before I do like a normal shampoo. And then I will show you guys too in this video, in the next clip, what my hair is going to look like after those treatments. But yeah, so Fanola is like literally mine and my sister's dirty little secret. We literally love this. I'll put a link in the description below because you can get this on Amazon. I paid about 16 bucks for this big bottle. So I'll put the link to this big bottle in the description below. But yeah, so stick around and I will show you what my hair will look like after 2 to 3 treatments. This was 3 treatments of the purple shampoo. I did it all in a row. As you can see, my hair is like totally purpley. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like this Fanola is like literally amazing if you're looking for an ashy type of color to your hair. It transforms it, and you don't even have to go to the salon to get a toner. It just kind of tones it all out for you. But I had to share this with the world, like how awesome this toner is. And actually, like, it's more ashy in person. For some reason, it's like not showing up good. Let me try to turn this light off because it's like a warm light. See, okay, now it's starting to show up a little bit better. There you go. But yeah, so I'll put the link in the description below for the Fanola bottle. It is so good. It's the best purple toner shampoo that I've ever used. And I've tried so many purple shampoos, and this is literally by far the best. I mean, as you can see from the picture, it's a complete transformation. Complete. So, and I actually think I'm going to go get some more blonde and brighten it up a little bit more, because if I get more blonde through my hair and then I use the purple shampoo, it will be like that super, super ashy blonde. I'm like, oh, that's the look I'm going for. So my hair was like black before I started going lighter. So, but yeah, I just wanted to share this little secret of mine. Fanola, it's the best, I swear. Hey everyone. Okay, so this would be day 6 of treatment. See how it's just like super, super ashy. It's like almost gray. Yeah, so this is day 6. And I just wanted to show you, if you wanted to go more ash, you can just keep on doing the treatments, and then you'll end up with this super ashy look.